Here's some Tagalog vocabulary words about stormy weather. Bagyo, storm, bagyo. Baha, flood, baha. Kulog, thunder, kulog. Kidlat, lightning, kidlat. Let's review. Bagyo, baha, kulog, kidlat. Pop quiz. What is happening in the atmosphere when thunder happens? The answer and our full-length videos can be found on our YouTube channel. Oh hey, one more thing. Do you like thunderstorms? Or does the loud noise scare you? I love thunderstorms. I love the cool weather that it brings, and I love the sound of rain falling on the rooftop. Leave your answer in the comments. Paalam!